I am Siddharth Sharma from Arya College of Engineering and IT from Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am presenting introduction to radiation and the related term to the radiation. These are the contents which I will cover, that is introduction, what is thermal radiation, black body radiation, intensity of emitted radiation and radiative property. Now radiation. Radiation is a heat transfer by emission of internal energy. Unlike conduction and convection, radiation does not require the presence of a medium to take place. Electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiation represent the energy emitted by matter as a result of the changes in the electronic configurations of the atoms or molecules. All electromagnetic waves travel at speed of light in a vacuum. Two characteristics of electromagnetic wave are wavelength and frequency. Now thermal radiation. Thermal radiation refers to the radiant energy emitted by a body by virtue of their own temperature resulting from the thermal exchange of the molecule. Temperature is a measure for thermal radiation. The heat of thermal radiation increases with the increasing temperature. The wavelength and frequency of radiating propagating in a medium are related is equal to C is equal to V into lambda, where lambda is the wavelength and V is the frequency. When the medium in which radiation travels is a vacuum, the velocity is propagation is C is equal to 2.997 into 10 raised to power 5. Now black body radiation. First of all, what is black body? A body is said to be black if it absorbs all the incident radiation. So for a black body, alpha is equal to 1 and rho is equal to T is equal to 0. Alpha, rho and T are absorptivity, reflectivity and transmittivity, which we will discuss in upcoming slides. Now black body radiation. A body at a temperature above absolute zero emits radiation in all directions over wide range of wavelength. Amount of energy emitted is equal to function of material, body and surface temperature. Black body preferred emitter and absorber of radiation. Maximum amount of radiation is given temperature, absorb all incident ray. Now we will come to the intensity of the radiation. The radiation intensity for emitted radiation is defined as the rate at which radiation energy dq is emitted in the theta phi direction as given in the diagram per unit area normal to the direction as per unit solid angle about the direction, that is IE, that is intensity of radiation is equal to dq by dA cos theta into d phi. The radiation flux for emitted radiation is emissive power E. Now total emissive power is equal to integration over the d 0 to 0 2 pi and given by the equation in the 12.515. For black body emissivity is equal to pi into IB, where EB is equal to sigma T raised to power 4, that is the black body emissive power. All surfaces emit radiation but also receive radiation emitted or reflected by other surfaces. The intensity of the incident radiation is defined as the rate at which the insulating energy is incident from the direction per unit area. Now radiative properties. Most material encountered in practice, such as a metal, wood and bricks, are opaque to thermal radiation, and radiation is considered to be surface phenomena for the such material. Radiation through semi-transparent materials such as glass and water cannot be considered to be surface phenomena since the entire volume to the material interacts with the radiation. A black body can serve a convenient reference in describing the emission and absorption characteristics of a real surface. Emissivity. The ratio of the radiation emitted by the surface at a given temperature to the radiation emitted by the black body at the same temperature. Emissivity is a measure of how closely a surface approximates a black body. The emissivity of a real surface varies with the temperature of the surface as well as the wavelength and the direction of the emitted radiation. The emissivity of a surface at a specified wavelength is called spectral emissivity. The emissivity is a specified direction is called directional emissivity epsilon naught, where theta is angle between the direction of the radiation and the normal to the surface. Now, absorptivity, reflectivity, and transmittivity. Absorptivity is denoted by alpha, reflectivity is by rho, and transmittivity by T. Absorptivity is alpha is equal to absorbed radiation upon incident radiation. It lies between 0 to 1. Reflectivity is reflected radiation upon incident radiation, and transmittivity is transmitted radiation upon incident radiation. A body is said to be opaque if tau is equal to 0, that is transmittivity is equal to 0. Most solids do not transmit any radiation and are opaque if rho is reduced, that is reflectivity is reduced. Then alpha means absorptivity increases. The reflectivity depends on the character of the surface. Therefore, the absorptivity of an opaque body can be increased or decreased by appropriate surface treatment. Roughing a solid surface enhances its absorptivity of incident radiation. When the surface is highly polished, the angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection, and the reflection is said to be specular. When the surface is rough, the incident radiation is distributed in the direction and the reflection of the solid is diffuse. Most gases have the high value of tau and low values of alpha and rho. Air atmospheric pressure temperature to the thermal resistance is tau is equal to 1, alpha is equal to rho is equal to 0.